right, guys, hair is up. I am in the kitchen. I just got out of work and I think I'm ready to make a little something. I never know what I'm gonna cook, but let's see what I end up with. What's the point of sesame seeds? I don't know, it just makes it look prettier. I have my beef defrosting. I have my pots and pans ready, and I've still kind of have all my stuff from HelloFresh. I mean, that's kind of what happens when you don't follow the recipe. You still have everything. But I'm really interested to use this Bulgogi sauce, sesame seeds, of course, these chili flakes. I have sriracha, and I have some beef sauce. So we're up to something. We're definitely up to something. I just gotta figure out. We got some fried onions. All right, let's see the pantry. Oh, Scooby, I'm gonna step on you, boy. Let's see what we can find in this fridge. I just kind of figure out what I want. So right now, I know I want lemon juice. I know I want onions. Here, baby. You ready to start chopping? All right, let's work some magic, y'all. Ow, Shaggy. Look, we could make it easier and just do this, babe. Babe. I'm gonna do it. And I'm gonna cook it in Bulgogi sauce. Vegetable medley, a blend of broccoli, wax beans, green beans, carrots, red peppers, and yellow peppers. Just makes it so much simpler. So here it tells me to steam it in a bag. I'm just not down, so I'm just gonna saute it, you know. I don't know, I don't follow any cooking rules. I didn't go to culinary school. Just literally just gonna saute it. Possible. Add a little bit, just basically steaming it. I'm just gonna turn this all off. And that's it. Laziest way possible. Guys, you have to understand, I don't cook. Like, I love to eat at restaurants. I want fast food. And this is the closest I can get to fast food. Cooking everything on high and burning everything. Alright. Putting in the garlic, half an onion, and it's ready to party. I love putting onions in everything because it just gives that sweetness. Now we're just gonna add in the flavor. So right here I have garlic powder, and the way I honestly...
Can't you just add garlic though?
Yeah, but the way I measure is this. I just literally top it with the tiniest bit, and I know that's already enough. It's weird, but it works for me. And that's the way I kind of season everything. And even though I already put onions, I'm just gonna put a little bit of that chopped onion taste too. And since I did put just the tiniest bit, right? And you can never go wrong with paprika. Is there paprika here? Oh, that's cinnamon, girl. I'm gonna grab some lemon juice. Away. Okay, I'm just gonna drench it. Because after this, you know what I should have done? The meat first, but I'm stubborn like that. That's right.
Sure, it looked better. It's cooked.
Now we're just gonna let it do its thing in here.
On top.
And perfect time when it's on the stove. Now it's on high and it's just gonna cook real quick. I love cooking ground everything. When it's grounded, I just feel like it just makes life easy. All I gotta do is saute and ground. I don't have to do any thinking. All I gotta do is add some salt, you know. Literally, again, some of this. I don't think I do. And this has just been my taste palette for the longest time. It's just always been like this. Just put some red crushed pepper. Then I'm actually gonna add this to just give it that pop of flavor because I love this last time. It's a HelloFresh beef sauce. And it's so good. Work around. Okay, I love me some family cooking. I have Michaela washing the rice steamer so she can cook some white rice. Just do 1 pound. 1 pound for everything. 1 pound, enter. That was not 1 pound, that was 0.1. And now I have Raul defrosting the pork so we can make more so we can share for the family. And meanwhile, I got Shaggy looking like he hates me and Scooby chilling. Yeah, this is our life. And I'm not, as you can see, this is an organized chaos, okay? Michaela, let's see if you remember how to make rice. This is the easiest way to make rice as Filipinos, man. Get the Pringles out of the pantry. And we're gonna do 4 cups of water. And the way it kind of works is you just kind of level it out, the water with your finger up to here, and you've literally got the perfect textured rice. At least that's what we do. If not, if you're gonna do 4 cups of rice, do 4.5 cups of water. All right, our food is cooking. Okay. So messy. We've got our potatoes cooking. Close it up.
How to cook rice.
You do remember. Good job. Now you gotta, is it plug it in, and then
Steam? White rice,
yeah,
I mean?
that's it. And in a few minutes, it's ready. Good job, Kayla. Yes, baby. It's ready? Yeah, it's ready.
When do you make alpha today?
Yeah, go ahead and get a cup and you can make it. All right, so we've transferred the ground beef into our little stir fry mix. And now it's just gonna soak in all that bulgogi goodness. Okay, so we got our potatoing. Look, it's already cooking. Oh shoot. Turn it off, all right, baby? Be careful, don't hurt yourself. Low. Ah! Literally, we're making fries. That's hilarious. Now we're really starting to make up a storm. Have you seen my abuelita video? Because if you haven't, you need to. This is how I make my amazing hot chocolate cereal milk. Otherwise, it's also, I feel like it needs a little bit more. I'm telling you, I just eyeball everything, guys. Duh. Vlog style opening. Oh, God. Oh, you're right. Turn that off. No, it doesn't work like that. You need permission. Just a little bit. That's all, y'all. It would help if we turned on the heat. Okay, just take care of that. And I can finish
So pretty.
So now we got our pork. It's ready. Yep, it's ready. What a mess.
The juices.
Stop. I'm gonna pull in all the spices from here and not put any seasoning in this whatsoever. I believe it already has a kick on its own. You know what? Taste test. Delicious. Oh, now that's good. I think I need some of this though. Let's do it. You know what? I don't even know what this is. But I'm gonna do that too. So I threw in some tomato paste in there and some hot chili sauce. I'm telling you right now, I don't even know if this flavor profile is gonna be it, but that's just the beauty of cooking. There shouldn't have to be a recipe, you know? Let the creative juices run wild. Okay, so I transferred the pork. Abuelita's almost done. Holy guacamole! What's the point of sesame seeds? I don't know, it just makes it look prettier. Alright, finishing touches. Clean. Where's the sesame seed? Where's the sesame seed that you grabbed, Kayla? Where's the sesame seed? A little bit of fried onions. Just a little bit. I think we've made a masterpiece, y'all.